Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install Node, JS-LTS, and Open VS Code because you need a stable runtime and editor. Next, scaffold a front-end app with Create React App or Vite so you have a working UI skeleton. Then initialize a backend folder using Express or Flask to handle APIs. Once done, add a simple endpoint and a demo page that fetches it, which proves your full stack loop is live. You now dive into the complex middle steps. Build clear API routes for create, read, update, delete, and version them so clients stay stable. On the front end, design components, decide state boundaries, and use hooks or a store to keep UI predictable. Make the backend talk to Postgres with an ORM, run migrations, and seed realistic data. This ensures reproducible environments. Once the pieces integrate, write automated tests for key flows to prevent regressions as you expand features. You finish by packaging and deploying. Create a Docker file, compose services, and set environment variables securely so behavior matches local testing. Choose a deployment target and push your image, then configure HTTPS, CORS, and basic CI to run tests on each push. Make sure to add monitoring and health checks so you spot failures early. If something breaks, check logs first, revert to the last stable image, and then debug locally. This rollback-first approach minimizes user impact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.